Hello everyone. Today DPR decided to do a voiceover on her video. I hope that my English won't turn out worse or anything like that. It's been so long that I have never spoken, but today I wanted to speak a little about this art that I'm doing right now. This is my first time joining the Inktober 2018, and I'm so excited to join this for the first time. And I couldn't believe that I have survived till the day 8. As of today, the day 8 art prompt is starry, and I really couldn't come up with any other at first. I used to look around at Google and search for ideas and all. Then I ended up learning a lot of things about stars. So I come across the constellations of stars, and I pick one constellation that is Leo, the lion. It was very fun drawing it because it's been ages since I didn't draw any animals. Oh, I've been a very lazy artist out here. You wouldn't believe it, and I was very excited to draw it. Hopefully, it came out a bit lion-like figure. I was afraid that I would ruin the art, but hopefully, very thankfully, I would say, it came out a bit okay. So, what I actually want to speak about is that coming up with an idea of about a prompt is a bit complicated task because it is the most hardest part every artist must be going through when a prompt is given, because giving a prompt is easy, but coming up with an idea on what to draw about a prompt is a bit complicated. We have to do research, we have to go out there and think about it, and as an artist we always tend to want to make it more creative, whether it is an object or even if the prompt is a book, we tend to make it a bit more creative. I think so. Oh, where am I going? I don't know. I have not had the status to give you all this advice or anything. Okay, coming back to the video. uh, I really want to thank some of my subscribers out there who really supported me up till today, because I never expected that I would get some really encouraging comments from you guys. I was very happy to get those comments from you. I am really glad, especially a art adventure. If you are out there, I am very happy with your comment, and I'm very happy that you are also doing the Inktober for the first time. And I forgot the names. Oh, yeah, I'm not so familiar. Mm, One called Zauduri or something. Thank you so much for liking my videos and commenting. This is what I wanted to say through this video. And thank you so much for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe if you like my art videos. Yes, please do give thumbs up. That would really help me. Oh, I don't know. I have no more words. I just want to thank you all out there, all my subscribers and all. I'm just happy about this Inktober. I'm super excited. You would know. Yes, tell me what you feel about this video. Tell me what you feel about my voice, or tell me what you feel about my accent. I don't know how to talk so well, okay. And I'm not an English by origin, so if my English got fluctuated here and there, please to forgive me. I'm still learning. I'm still learning how to speak properly at all. That's very funny. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new, please subscribe. Did I say that before? Yes, I had said that. Why am I saying it? Oh, what? I'm repeating things. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.